full of yourself. Don't lose your head, please get a grip on yourself. There's nothing else you can do. 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 You may well say, how could this happen to you? You may well ask, and you may not like the truth. Why is it always to you? Why is it always to you? Why is it always to you? Why does this happen to you?
You need to be talking, but fucking.
Hello! Hello, is this monkey business?
Is this Domino's? Can I get a fucking ham and pineapple and
No, I won't put that on.